I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica is giving here with another reaction. Ooh. Today we are with 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, yeah, man. La Boss himself with Blicky. Yeah, man. Blicky. Lord class, Blicky. Yeah. I could jump in and see what La Boss did, man. Let's go. Yeah, man. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎���, Blicky. Let's go.
Live for Blicky. Uno, two, switch it, bro. People wicked, that's why me never like see crowd. Someone watch everything with around. Me no like see nobody pound phone. Me see my really fuck before Joan. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎���, live for Blicky. Some boy too switch it, bro. People wicked, that's why me still not like see crowd. Not talking, if you not turn off your mouth, put your tongue on this. Informer, no laughing, me come kill you, yeah, if you're so bad.
Hold on, man. There's a few things I want to touch, man.
Live for Blicky, uno, two, switch it, bro.
Oh, switchy. We might talk about.
People wicked, that's why me never like see crowd. Someone watch everything with around.
She ain't creative because herself.
See nobody pound phone.
Yo, the man so paranoid. The man say him watch everything with their own. Everything. Him never like see people on phone. Paranoia do that, bro.
Someone watch everything with around. Me no like see nobody pound phone. Me see my really fuck before Joan.
Fathead. Big up Fathead in my door.
Live for Blicky. Some boy too switch it, bro. People wicked, that's why me still not like see, bro. People wicked, that's why me still not like see crowd. Not talking, if you not turn off your mouth, put your tongue on this.
Yo, not talking. If you not shut up, if you not lock off, if you not mute up your mouth, me a turn on this. Oh, so you better stop it chatting and that you must say. Yo!
Not like see crowd. Not talking, if you not turn off your mouth, put your tongue on this. Informer, no laughing, me come kill you, yeah, if you're so brawling. Destroy.
Pumbukla, no laughing, me come kill your yard if you're so brawling. Hold on, man.
No laughing, me come kill your yard if you're so brawling. Destroy. God protect me as a killer, me no miss prayer no morning.
God protect him as a killer. Him a tell us, yo, him no miss no morning. Yes, him stay prayed up. Yeah, him stay prayed up. We see a little thing I go on social with him and Malidan. Where words are drop and words are drop. But it's not like 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 to be throwing shades. 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎��� go direct. So, more know how I go on, you see me?
God protect me as a killer, me no miss prayer no morning.
Never.
Yeah. When you sell out your real friend, it's like you go rob a church offering.
Bumbleclad. Look at the comparison. When you sell out your real friend, it's like you go rob a church offering. Look like you go rob from the church.
Yeah.
When you sell out your real friend, it's like you go rob a church offering.
Live for Blicky. Some boy too switch it, bro. People wicked, that's why me still not like the crowd. That's why me still not like the crowd. Washi, friend never asked so before. Loyal to the bone, that's what we know. If somebody drop a jail, somebody mats up the road. Head a bounce with the dirty Glock 34. What you know about these streets when it cold? Friends switch on your feds, try check your phone, see but.
What are the man for?
The drop a jail, somebody mats
that's up the road.
Head a bounce with the dirty Glock 34. What you know about these streets when it cold? Friends switch on your feds, try check your phone, see badness, better leave it alone. The amount that thing reach me, I know me, I walk with. Scars were wicked, probably long than Mississippi. These bitches quick fit this me. My heart not try love, not risk it.
Man said my heart not try love, not risk it. Me not risk it, bro. Me can't take a chance with my heart. It don't have too much scars already. Scars longer than the Mississippi. Hey.
Scars were wicked, probably long than Mississippi. These bitches quick fit this me. My heart not try love, not risk it. Live for Blicky. Some boy too sweet. switch it, bro. People wicked, that's why me still not like the crowd. So me watch everything where they round. Me not like see nobody pon phone. Me see my brother fuck before Jonah. Yo, Jacob, from a place if we did a beat, we wouldn't see if like a hawk and we not face if we no play. But yes, me see my brother.
So.
Fuck before Jonah. Yo, Jacob, from a place if we did a beat, we wouldn't see if like a hawk and we not face if we no play.
Like a hawk and two in a face if you no play, brother. This, you know? Yeah, man, like a pit in your face, man. Pit out. Some metal thing in your face, man. Some metal bites.
My place if we did a beat, we wouldn't see it like a hawk and we not face if we no play. Rifle a shade the roof like at the base. Gun in a me and split bruise back on me ears if I pussy test. The soup now I feel wait. Shoot up anywhere them a group up and a stay.
Man say man shoot up anywhere them a group up and a stay. Shoot up them ends, man.
No can't test the soup now I feel wait. Shoot up anywhere them a group up and a stay. No can't test the youth up on my beer. No can't put on the boot up in a day. We are.
What on the man? What on the man? What on the man?
No can't test the youth
up on my beer.
No can't put on the boot up in a day. We are. Scars were wicked, probably long than Mississippi. These bitches quick fit this me. My heart now pre-love, now risky. Live for Blicky. Oh no, two switches, bro. People wicked, that's why me still not like the girl.
Pussy club.
That's why me still not like the
Dark. Father Dark. Well, I know, man. 𝐑𝐂𝐊 dropped so much of them song where me not even sure if this is a shot at Malidan. I don't think it is. I really don't think it is. I could be wrong. 𝐑𝐂𝐊 always a chat about friend killer and switchy friend and them thing. 𝐑𝐂𝐊 ever burn out them thing there, bro. So this is just a next bad bomb buckler banger from 𝐑𝐂𝐊. A relatable one. Man say, yo, me don't even trust people on phone, dog. Me don't even trust. I saw me paranoid about it, bro. If me that fool, dog, me wouldn't dare, dog. You see me? Yeah, man. Glock we pitting on your face, man. Move. Yo. Bomb buckler. Man say, yo, him stay prayed up every time. You know, every morning. Him say a prayer before him go up on the road. Yo. Labas. Big up yourself, yeah, bro. There's not much more me can say, bro. Big up your fucking self, me G. Let me know what you guys think about this on the comment section. Also, guys, a link I got left on the comment section. Top of the comment section. That's my second reaction channel. Please just give me a follow with it. Please, my beg on it. Please. I'll catch you guys on the next one, though. Peace.
Yeah, 𝐑𝐂𝐊, but I review your face, the dog. If face to your